Welcome to class, everyone. We'll be talking about highest common factor today. Highest common factor. Highest common factors. I want to thank you for sending your answers into the comment section for the last class. Please do that more often. Thank you very much. Alright, highest common factors. In our last class, we saw prime factors. Okay, so we'll also be looking at highest common factors. When you talk about common, simply something that two numbers have or two people have. When you talk about the word common, something that is seen in more than one place. I think that's better. Alright, then when you talk of highest, it's the biggest or largest. So now when you're looking at two numbers, for example, let's see 4 and 6. Let's see the factors of 4 and 6. For example, we have for 4 we have 1, 2, and 4. For 6 we have 1, 2, 3, and 6. Now these are factors of these numbers. Factors of 4, 1, 2, and 4, and factors of 6, we have 1, 2, 3, 6. Okay, now what are the common factors? That is, the factors that are in 4 and are also in 6. Let's underline them. Our common factors are these. 1 is common here, and 2 is also common here. I think I'll write it down. Common factors. Common factors here are 1 and 2. Okay, now you check what is the highest or the biggest of these factors. Of these factors, the biggest of them is 2. Okay, so that becomes our highest common factor. So the highest common factor of 4 and 6 is 2. Again, I'll simply go by using our factors from our previous classes. We saw how to find factors of a number. Okay, now I have gotten my factors of 4 as 1, 2, and 4. That is, 1 times 4 will give us 4, 2 times 2 will give us 4. Same as factors of 6, 1, 2, 3, 6. Now, when you talk about common, or when we hear the word common, it's simply what is here that is also here. What these factors that are here and that are also here. Alright, so now when you check, you can see 1 is here, 2 is here. There's 4 here, but there's no 4 here. There's 3 here, there's no 3 here. There's 6 here, there's no 6 here. So our common factors are 1 and 2. Okay, now what is the highest or the biggest of these common factors? It's 2. So we'll say our highest common factor is 2. Alright, so let's see more examples. Now, okay, let's find out the factors of 10 and 20, for example. Factors of 10, we have 1, 2, 5, 10. For 20, we have 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, 20. Okay? Now, remember I'm talking of factors of this and factors of this. Factors of 10, factors of 20. So, let's see factors of 10, factors of 20. We have for factors of 10, we have 1, 2, 5, and 10. For factors of 20, we have 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, and 20. Now let's see what the common factors are. What are they? We have 1 is common here, 1 is here. 2 is here, 2 is also here. There's 4 here, there's no 4 here. Can you see? There's 5 here, there's no 5. Okay, there's 5 here and there's also 5 here. There's 10 here, there's 10 here. Alright, so our common factors, let's write out the ones I've underlined. 1, 2, 5, 10. Of all of them, let's abbreviate our highest common factor, HCF. What is the biggest of these numbers? Biggest or the highest of these common factors? 10. So our highest common factor of 10 and 20 is 10. Okay, this is one method. Now, what if you are given big numbers? You don't have all the time to start checking out or start multiplying and getting all these factors in this form. You can use the division method or the prime factors method we talked about in our last class. Let's see. Find the HCF of 40 and 64. Alright, so let's use our prime factors method. The smallest number that can go into 40 is 2. 2 into 40, I have 20. 2 into 2, I have 1. 2 into 0 is 0. 2 into 10 is 5. 5 into 5 is 1. Alright, let's see for 64. Alright, so let's express 40 as a product of its prime factors. We have 2 times 2 times 2 times 5. For 64, let's see. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. How many 2's do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Now here we have 3 2's and here we have 6 2's. This is multiplying by 5. Okay. Let's see. Now to get the HCF, what do? Remember that all these numbers are prime factors. We have just expressed 40 and 60 as a product of their prime factors. So we just highlight the common factors. Common factors here are just 2. So let's see. 2 is common here. 2 is also common here. And 2 is common here. 5 is here, 5 is not here. These other 2's are only here, they're not here. So our HCF, we write it here. Our HCF becomes 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times 2 gives us 4 times 2, 8. That's our highest common factor. Highest common factor of 40 and 64 is 8. So this method, whichever method suits you, you may prefer to use the other one or use this one. Whichever way, you must get the same answer as 8. Let's see just one more question. Find the HCF of 24, 30, and 36. Alright, I would want to use my prime factors method again. 24. What are the numbers that can go into 24? 2 into 2, I have 1. 2 into 4, I have 2. Alright, 2 into 12 is 6. 2 into 6 is 3. 3 into 3 is 1. 30. 2 can go into 30 to give me 15. 3 into 15, I have 5. 5 here will give me 1. Alright? For 36, 2 into 3 is 1. Remainder 1. So I put it here. Becomes 16. 2 into 16, I have 8. 2 into 18 is 9. 3 into 9 is 3. 3 here is 1. Alright? So let's express them as a product of their prime factors. Here we have 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. For 30, we have 2 times 3 times 5. For 36, we have 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. Okay, so to find the common factors or the HCF, I'll simply check. 2 is common here. 2 is a common factor of these ones, of these numbers. There's 3, 3, 3. 3 is also a common factor. So I'll just highlight them. 2. Can do this. 3. Right? So my HCF becomes 2 times 3. That will give us 6 as our final answer. So the highest common factor of 24, 30, and 36 is 2 times 3, which is what? 6. Alright? So you could try this. Please try finding the highest common factor of 54 and 84 for the first question. And the next question, try finding out the highest common factor of 72, 110 and 120. Have fun solving maths, and please leave your answers in the comment section. If there's need to get to me, you will see my email in the comment section. Please do well to contact me. And also, do not forget to subscribe to our channel, Edit Maths. Have a nice day.